to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Channel. So today's video is going to be a review of the new PatrickStarrr collection, well, his second collection with MAC Cosmetics, and I'm so happy for him. Huge congratulations, that's absolutely amazing. And this collection is more like a springtime collection. I managed to pick up the 2 kits, and I really love the 2 of them. I'm going to be using them to do a full face look today, so you guys stay tuned and don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is down here, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you do like it, and yeah, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so like I said, there's 2 kits. There's the Me So Chic and there's Me So Fleek. So, and this is what the packaging looks like. Absolutely love the packaging, like it's so creative, and I love the pink and the blush colors. Very pretty. And yeah, it comes in these boxes, and then the actual product inside, they all come wrapped in purple tissue paper. Me So Chic collection. So there's this blush which looks like this. So to be honest, this blush, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be getting any use out of it because the colors are just too light for my skin tone, but I will add it to my kit for my first skin tone client. There's the eyeshadow quad from this set, which looks like this. Love the packaging. It's kind of similar to his first lipstick, the Mama Star one, but I think this one is a little bit lighter. And then this is what the lip gloss looks like. So the lip gloss is absolutely beautiful. I love glosses like this, lots of sparkle in them. So that's the Me So Chic collection, and everything retailed for $59.50 I believe, which is such a good price because usually just this quad from MAC Cosmetics is about $48, and the lipstick is 20 something, and the lip gloss is also 20 something, so it's a pretty good deal. And then for the Me So Fleek collection, this one is a bit more bolder, more dramatic. The blush slash contour powder duo in this collection looks like this. Same packaging of course, and then the quad looks like this. And then of course the lipstick and the lip gloss. This one has a pink lip gloss in it, and this has it's a dark purple lipstick, dark pink actually. It's like pink and purple, I don't know, mixed together almost. And this is what the color looks like on my hand. So the collection is very pretty. Love the colors. I don't really know what look I want to go for, but I just kind of want to try out a little bit of everything. I'm gonna start off with this color right here. So this color is called Daddy Star, and I'm going to use that first. Now I'm going in with Bon Nuit, which is the dark purple right here, and I'm going to just place that on the outer corners of my eyes. Colors are so pigmented, of course. Then back in with the first brush. Just use that to blend everything out. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to just cut my crease. I'm using some Fix Plus on my brush, and I'm going to just be applying this color right here in Leave-In Pink, this one right here, and this is from the Me So Fleek eyeshadow quad. And then I'm going to go in with the dark pink in the palette, and this is called Hickey. So this pink right here is called Hickey. I'm going to just apply that on the outer corners of my eyes. These shadows are actually just a dream to work with. Like, there is little to no fallout. Like, there's actually no fallout on my cheeks. Pigmentation is there. Everything is blending out seamlessly, and I really love the colors. So now I'm using this dark purple here, and this is called Queen Patrick. So that one right there. And I'm just placing that on this outer V area. So it just kind of blends into the dark purple that I applied first. And apply some more of that pink because I don't want to lose the pink. Okay, so now I'm applying some liquid liner, and this is the Urban Decay Perversion liner. I'm going to use some white liner in my waterline. Now with a short shader brush, I'm going to go in with this gorgeous blue eyeshadow, and it's called In the Shadows by MAC. So I'm just placing that on the lower lash line. So I'm going in with the dusty pink, and I'm just placing that underneath the blue just to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna put on some lashes and mascara and lashes, and alright you guys, so lashes and mascara are on. Now I'm going to just move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to use the blush, the one that's called Take Me Home. It's the darker one. Like I said, this one is going to show up more on my skin tone compared to the one from the Miso Chic palette. So I'm just going in with this dark color, and I'm going to place that on my cheeks. Powder, I'm using the PatrickStarrr Patrick powder, and I'm just going to use that to just basically clean up. And I find that this powder also just gives like a brightening effect on the skin, which I like. So of course there's two different lip options that you can go with. You can either do a bold one, you can either do the bold lip, or you can do the more muted lip. I think both of them would go with this eye look. I'm using this brown lip liner from Kiss New York. Then I'm gonna go in with Sweet Mama Star lipstick. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a very soft pink. I'm gonna top it off with the lip gloss, and this is called Mama Star Kiss. Using the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Powder in medium, I'm going to use that to dust off the baking powder. I'm just going to do a little bit of highlighting, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look with this lip combo, and I'm going to show you guys what the other lip combo looks like with the more pinky lipstick and lip gloss. But yeah, I absolutely love this look. I love how it turned out. Okay guys, so time for lip combo number 2. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips with Night Moth lip pencil from MAC. It's just a very deep dark purple. Then I'm gonna go in with Hey Boy Hey, which is the dark purple, and I'm going to just apply that. And then I'm going to just pop on the lip gloss just right in the center, and this lip gloss is called Queen P. Alright you guys, so this is what this second lip option looks like. As you can see, this one is definitely more on the bold side. But yeah, it still goes really nicely with the look because it has, you know, the pinks and purples going on. Honestly, the whole collection is absolutely beautiful. Congrats to Patrick once again. This is so amazing. Absolutely love it. The price is a steal, you guys. Like, if you're someone that doesn't really buy from MAC because it's too expensive, I feel like this collection is a good way to try out a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to rush to work right now because I'm running a little late, but yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you like it. I leave my social media right here so you guys can follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Have a blessed week and have a wonderful day. I'll see you all later. Bye.